Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and today's video is another unboxing video. So this one is Glossybox. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, I'm just going to give a brief little description here, but I will leave all the detailed information in the description box down below for you. If you already know what Glossybox is and you just want to skip ahead to the items inside, I will leave a timestamp in the comments section down below so that you can just skip ahead to the good stuff. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription service. It costs £10 a month on a rolling subscription plus £3.95 postage and packaging. If you take out a longer term of subscription, then that can reduce the cost of your box. So for instance, I've taken out a 12-month subscription plan with them and my boxes cost £8.50 a month plus the £3.95 postage and packaging. It usually contains 5 items, but sometimes they do include little extras and little freebies. And there's usually a good mix of makeup, skincare, hair care. Sometimes there's more of one thing than another, but generally speaking, Glossybox is a nice little all-rounder kind of box. As I said, I will leave a few more details in the description box down below, but for now, let's just get into the box. So inside, we've got all the items all wrapped up, tied up with a little ribbon. And we also get a little card. This just has all the information for the products inside, so we'll be referring to this as we go through each item. And on the back of the card, there is usually a sneak peek for an item in the following month's box. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, tune out now. I'll leave a timestamp in the comments box for you to skip ahead if you want to. But the sneak peek for February is a Figs and Rouge product. It looks like it's their Glowy Elixir worth £35. So that could be nice. I've got the Morning Glow drops. I actually can't find them at the moment. I've got a handful of items that I really like to use that I currently can't find, and it is bugging the life out of me. But one of them is the Figs and Rouge Glow Drops. So I'm quite excited to try those actually. Quite looking forward to next month's box, and I haven't even got into this one yet. Maybe that's a good start. Who knows? Let's find out. We're just gonna pull this open. I'm sure that sticker was super strong. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. And ooh, I spy something that I know I like. So of course she goes for the food first. So this is a naked bar, and these are just little like fruit bars, but this is a cocoa orange raw fruit nut bar, simply yummy, and I really do like these. And actually the cocoa orange one is my favourite, so I'm quite happy that's in here. I'm just going to check and see what the book says, because sometimes the food items are the freebies, so it looks like we might have a freebie this month. There is absolutely no information in here whatsoever about this bar, so must be a freebie. I can live with that. Okay, so the next item I'm pulling out is from Model Co, and it's a clear brow gel. And I'm not going to lie, I'm actually quite pleased to see this in here. I don't have a clear brow gel at the moment, but I keep meaning to buy one. Now I don't have to, so I quite like that. So that's what it looks like. It's just a little brow gel. I'm gonna have a look, see what the brush looks like actually. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So yeah, already off to a good start. Food and something that I was intending to buy anyway. So let's see what the card says. The RRP on this is £14, and it says, embrace a refreshing no makeup look with this vegan and cruelty free clear eyebrow gel. You can either use it to shape your brows and hold the hairs in place for a clean polished look, or apply it over an eyebrow pencil or powder to set the colour. Either way, its lightweight formula will keep your brows looking flawless all day long. So yeah, as I said, I wanted to buy one anyway. So I'm really happy to see that in here. Next we've got this. It says basic tweezers. It's just a little tiny little tweezers in millennial pink. Beautiful. So they're slanted, you can see there. So do I need them? I was actually going to say no, but I probably own about 20 pairs of tweezers and I can find probably 2. This is an item that I just constantly lose, so I might try and put these somewhere safe for when I lose the ones I'm actually using right now, because it's me, it's gonna happen. So no, it's not something that I would have bought, but knowing me, I think it's going to be useful. So let's see what the book says. So the basic beauty tweezers have an RRP of £15.50. That's expensive. I don't think I've ever spent that much on tweezers. These better be good. Sometimes having well-groomed eyebrows is all you need to look fresh and put together. Luckily for you, you can expertly shape your brows with these tweezers. Boasting a classic slant tip, they allow you to easily grab and pluck small hairs to achieve your desired shape effortlessly. Simply pluck any rogue hairs outside of your designated brow line, then set them in place using your clear brow gel. I quite like that. I like that they've included 2 things that kind of go together. I think that's quite smart and well thought out, so that's nice. But again, not something that I'm desperate for, and £15.50 for tweezers? Really? They better be flipping amazing. Okay, so next I've got the Context Microderm Regenerator. Sounds a little bit scary. This is a deluxe mini at 30ml worth £6.50. If you wanted to buy a full size of this product, you can get one in 120ml and the RRP on that would be £27. Nothing makes your skin look refreshed and renewed quite like an exfoliation. Boasting the same exfoliating crystals used in professional treatments, this 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator gently removes dead skin cells to reveal brighter and healthier looking skin. It also blends macadamia, sunflower and jojoba oils with vitamins A, C and E to soothe, cleanse and protect your complexion. Massage it into wet skin, then rinse. Yeah, so that's cool. I'll give that a go. Okay, so next we've got a sheet mask. So it's the Beauty Pro CBD oil infused sheet mask. It says CBD, lavender and rose hip. So my rose hip's supposed to be quite good for your skin. Lavender, maybe not so much. And the whole CBD thing is just, well, it's kind of exploded, hasn't it? Not actually tried anything though, so I can't speak to whether it works. I think I'm prejudging, but it just seems like a bit of a fad to me. Okay, so the RRP on this is £5.95. Even if you haven't had your full 8 hours, you'll still have glowing skin thanks to this biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. Infused with anti-inflammatory cannabidiol, it helps to restore, calm and smooth your complexion while also evening out your skin tone and reducing the appearance of blemishes. Apply it onto cleansed skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then gently remove and massage any excess serum onto your face. So as I said, I've never tried anything with CBD oil or anything along the CBD line, so I'll give it a go. I'll see what I think, but it probably isn't something that I would have picked up to try, but it's in the box, so happy to try it. And the last thing that we've got in here was actually sneak peeked in last month's box. So it is the Baby Strawberry Booster. And I'm quite excited to try this. I've only ever tried one Baby product before, and it was the Lip Plumper, and I didn't really like it. But serums, I really like to try new serums. So on the box it says that it's 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. So that actually sounds quite nice. And that's what the little bottle inside looks like. Very cute. Very cute, I quite like that. Little dropper, and oh, I was kind of hoping that the oil would be pink, but it's not. Sorry, that wasn't very clear for you, was it? Oh, I was kind of hoping it smelled like strawberry too, but I know fragrance isn't good for the skin, so I'd just be annoyed that fragrance was in here. But I always get a bit disappointed when things say strawberry or orange or something, and then it doesn't actually smell like what it's supposed to smell like. That actually feels really nice. I mean, you can see that I've got something on my hand, but I'll be totally honest, it doesn't feel overly greasy. That actually feels really, really nice on the back of my hand, so quite excited to try that. This is a full-size product, and the RRP on this is £12. Made from upcycled seeds from the juice industry, this sustainable 100% cold-pressed strawberry seed oil is the secret to a softer and brighter complexion. Rich in antioxidants and omega-3 and 6, it is the perfect way of soothing, nourishing and hydrating dry skin. Massage straight into your face or mix 2 drops into your day cream, BB cream or foundation to give your complexion an extra boost of moisture. So that's cool. So I thought it was just a serum, but actually it's an oil that you can mix into other mediums. So that's really nice. That's definitely something that I will try out. So yeah, really happy to have that in here. Really happy to give it a go. Excited to see what happens with it. So that was all of the items. Quick recap. We've got the Model Co Clear Brow Gel. We've got the tweezers. We've got the Context Microderm Regenerator. We've got the CBD oil face mask, the BB strawberry booster, and we've got the little freebie naked cocoa orange bar. So overall, I actually quite like this box. When I first picked it up, I thought, oh, that feels really light. It doesn't feel like there's an awful lot in here. And the items are small, and you know, there are a couple of things in here that I'm a bit okay, whatever. The mask, I like masks, I like to try them, so I'm happy to have it, I'm happy to give it a go. It's just the whole CBD oil thing, I don't know, it just feels like such a fad to me. I think that just puts me off it a little bit, but I'll try it and see. And the only other thing really are the tweezers. It's tweezers, you know, you can buy them really cheap. I don't need a £15 pair of tweezers. It's nice to have, but I strongly suspect that I'm going to try them and go, can get something like that cheaper. So it is what it is. But brow gel, I needed some. Strawberry booster, super excited to try. And the Microderm Regenerator, I'm quite curious. So happy with 3 of the items, meh about 2. We've got a freebie. Overall, I don't think it's a bad box this month. So if you've got any thoughts or feelings on any of the items in the box today, drop a comment in the box down below. What do you think of Glossybox? Do you have it? Are you thinking about trying it? Just let me know. That is everything then, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.